My name is Mike Gibb. I'm Vice President of Manufacturing at Wrayco Industries in Stowe, Ohio. My grandparents and my dad started the company in 1980. Originally had the concept of just having a small little mom and pop sheet metal manufacturing company. What we specialize in is the fabrication of fuel and hydraulic tanks for major construction OEMs like John Deere, Caterpillar, Volvo, Case New Holland. About 150 employees. We use a lot of advanced manufacturing techniques like robotic welding. We have very sophisticated powder coat line to meet the high specifications that those customers have. This is a system we're very proud of. Just a couple of years ago, we would have never thought that we could robotically weld large wheel loader product. So we're talking a 4 by 5 by 8 or 10 foot cube, 2,500, 3,300 pounds. We were always traditionally manually welding. We've developed this system with a longer FANUC arm, and we can weld the large Komatsu mining. It's a 5 foot by 6 foot by 8 foot cube that weighs 3,400 pounds. This positioner is capable of 5,000 pounds. The biggest way that manufacturing changed that I've seen in my time is just the speed of communication. I remember when I first started, 3D modeling of parts didn't exist. The internet was not fully involved in the company. We used to get hard copies of prints, and that would take weeks to send in, mark up, and then send back, versus now everything being digital. To design a new product would take 6 months to a year, and that would be a fast track, and now we can do it in a matter of 6 or 8 weeks. It shows you in real time the spray, and it shows how the oven's operating all in a digital world, and we're monitoring all that stuff through varying degrees of control. So it's a very, very sophisticated system. Without the automation, we wouldn't have the work, because I don't know that it would be domestically sourced. If you were putting that much labor into the cost of your product, I think it would make us uncompetitive, so we wouldn't even have the 85 jobs, we would have none. What you'll see everywhere are literally 100 to 150 of these work centers, and it's real live data as far as inventory and tracking production. Another competitive advantage we feel we have in this area is the depth of knowledge in technical areas like machining and welding. Generationally, some of those skill sets are still here. We take a lot of pride in supporting the community and employing the people that we do. We try to offer a very competitive or above average rate, so I think that's when we really felt that we'd arrived at a diverse customer base. It is a family-owned company, and it's the long-term investments that we're making in the long-term goals that we have that we think make us different from a lot of our competition.